Hey, quick question. How much time do you spend wrestling with your calendar? I mean, really wrestling? Like, sending endless emails, playing phone tag, double booking yourself, and just generally feeling like your schedule is a chaotic, untamed beast? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. We've all been there. And if you're a business owner, a freelancer, or anyone who relies on appointments, that time spent juggling schedules is time stolen from actually doing what you love. Now, imagine a world where your clients could book appointments with you instantly, 24/7, without you lifting a finger. Imagine a world where your calendar is automatically updated, where reminders are sent out, and where you can focus on your work, not your admin. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's where Acuity Scheduling comes in. But here's the thing, you've probably heard about it, maybe even seen it in action. You're intrigued, but you're also wondering, like so many others, is Acuity Scheduling free? That's the question we're tackling today. And trust me, the answer is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Let's rewind for a second and talk about why scheduling is such a pain point. We live in a world of instant gratification. We order food with a tap, stream movies on demand, and expect things to happen quickly. So why should booking an appointment be any different? Think about it. Before digital scheduling, you were reliant on phone calls, emails, or even physical calendars. You had to manually check your availability, respond to inquiries, and then painstakingly enter the appointment into your system. And if someone needed to reschedule, cue the endless back and forth. This isn't just inefficient, it's also a terrible customer experience. Clients want convenience. They want to be able to book appointments on their own terms, at a time that suits them. If they can't, they'll likely go elsewhere. And for you, missed appointments mean lost revenue. That's why automated scheduling tools like Acuity Scheduling have become so popular. They offer a solution to this age-old problem, streamlining the booking process and freeing up your time. But, of course, there's always a catch, right? So, back to our original question. Is Acuity Scheduling free? The short answer is no, not entirely. Acuity Scheduling operates on a subscription-based model. There's no completely free, unlimited version. However, there was a free version previously, but it has since been discontinued. Now, before you click away, let's break down what that actually means. Just because it's not free doesn't mean it's not worth it. In fact, for many businesses, the benefits of Acuity far outweigh the cost. Acuity offers different subscription tiers, each with its own set of features and pricing. The key is to choose the plan that best suits your needs. Let's take a look at what these plans typically offer. First, you'll find the emerging plan, often the entry-level option. This is usually designed for individual entrepreneurs or very small businesses. It allows you to automate your scheduling, accept payments, and send out automated reminders. It's a great starting point if you're just getting started and want to dip your toes into the world of automated scheduling. Then there's the growing plan, which is typically the most popular option. This plan builds on the features of the emerging plan and adds more advanced functionalities, such as multiple staff calendars, group classes or workshops, and more customization options. This is ideal for businesses with multiple team members or those offering a wider range of services. Finally, you'll find the Powerhouse plan, which is the most comprehensive option. This plan includes all the features of the growing plan, plus advanced features like custom API access, HIPAA compliance, and priority support. This is designed for larger businesses with complex scheduling needs. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how much does it actually cost? The pricing varies depending on the plan you choose and whether you opt for monthly or annual billing. Typically, you'll find that the emerging plan is the most affordable, followed by the growing plan, and then the Powerhouse plan. Remember, the pricing can change, so it's always best to check the Acuity Scheduling website for the most up-to-date information. But let's look at this beyond just the dollar amount. What are you actually paying for? You're paying for time savings. This is the most significant benefit. By automating your scheduling, you're freeing up countless hours that you can spend on other aspects of your business. Reduced no-shows, automated reminders and confirmations significantly reduce the number of no-shows, which means more revenue for you. Improved customer experience. Clients appreciate the convenience of online booking, and it can help you build stronger relationships with them. Increased efficiency. Acuity helps you streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage your appointments and your business. Professionalism. A professional booking system adds credibility to your business and makes you look more established. Flexibility. Clients can book appointments 24/7, from anywhere in the world, on any device. Payment integration. Seamlessly take payments when appointments are booked. Customization. Tailor the booking page to match your branding. So, while Acuity Scheduling isn't free, it offers a valuable service that can save you time, money, and headaches. It's an investment in your business, and for many, it's an investment that pays off. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but are there any free alternatives? Yes, there are some free scheduling tools available. However, they often come with limitations. They might have limited features, restricted appointment types, or a cap on the number of appointments you can schedule. They may also have limited or no customer support. While a free tool might be a good starting point for very small businesses or individuals with very basic scheduling needs, it's important to weigh the pros and cons, consider whether the limitations of a free tool will ultimately hinder your growth and efficiency. In the long run, investing in a robust scheduling tool like Acuity Scheduling can actually save you money. By reducing no-shows, increasing efficiency, and improving customer experience, you can generate more revenue and grow your business faster. Let's also address the common concern of learning a new system. Many are afraid of the learning curve. Acuity is designed to be user-friendly. Most users find it intuitive and easy to navigate. And if you do run into any issues, Acuity offers comprehensive support resources, including tutorials, FAQs, and customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.